Yeah, you know what is this?
Black pepper.
Look at that. Is how does it look? It looks similar like tamal. I mean, bitter leaves. Okay. You know, guys, most of the people they think like that only, but not a bitter leaves like a pan pata. I mean, it's like a pepper, black pepper, kali mirch. Okay? See, guys, basically black pepper is a creeper. It's not. It is not a plant. It's a creeper. That is different. Here's just a wrap cylinder. It goes just round and round, round and round, round and round. Guys, you can see so many pepper creepers on the tree. Sir. All those like pepper creepers. Okay. So like a papaya tree only. Okay. See here you guys, after coffee harvest, you guys, we do pepper harvest in the month of February, March. And in Coorg, after coffee, our second major crop, that is like a pepper after coffee, like that. Okay, guys, see here, it looks something like tamalpa, bitter, but I'll tell you small difference. The father guys look at in country. Here you can take, it has 5 veins, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But bitter has only 3 veins. And here thick and harder. So that is soft, glossy, shiny. Okay? And that's also creeper. This also a creeper. Okay? So see here, this is a peppercorn. Okay? It has been harvested just 2 months ago. This is a peppercorn. So initially it will be like in green in color. Okay? You just collect the green peppercorns, then you just dry it under sun for like 4 to 5 days. Okay? Then slowly it becomes, slowly turns in which color? Red. Green to red, red to brown, then black. Okay? And you guys, for 1 kg black pepper, it needs actually 3 kg of green pepper. No, after dry, we get that much, like 1:2 ratio we get,
right?
okay?
The pepper is a seed inside the fruit? No, itself is a pepper.
Pepper only, okay, na? And see that water content moisture, whatever is there, because automatically comes out, okay? So you get that much, it gets shrink actually. Achha. And you guys, why spices are always expensive? Because this is the reason. See now, fruits and vegetables that we can directly consume, but these spices we cannot do like that. We need to do some process. By the time what happens, just lose the weight, like 4:1, 3:1, 2:1 ratio we get, okay? That is why guys, spices are always expensive. This creeper, it goes up like 15 feet at, okay? The creeper life is 50 to 20 years, then depends on tree. I mean to say the supporting tree, how big it is there, guys. So we get more yield out of that tree, okay? And this creeper, generally just put it on the straight and tall trees only. You know why? Because in that we can easily harvest. See guys, if the tree has the branches, it spreads all over the branches, it creeps everywhere. So by that time, guys, we need to shift the ladder from here to there. So in Kerala state, what they do, they put it on that coconut tree and areca tree. It goes as straight and tall. But in Coorg, here we won't grow commercial coconut and areca. Here we just put it on these taller trees. I said mother of coffee tree, silver oak tree, right, which doesn't have any branches. Goes as straight and tall. We just put it on that tree so that we can easily harvest. So guys, you got to know about black pepper. So guys, you heard about white pepper? White pepper. Guys, what some people they think, the different plants, the different thing is a different creeper, okay? So it's not a different. In the black itself only we can make white also. You know how? So what I said, that second stage is green to red. You just collect the red pepper, then you just put it into water for like 7 to 10 days. After 7 to 10 days, what happened? Guys, that what do you say, that seed coat, that husk, that layer automatically comes out, and then inside we get that white thing. So that's on the white pepper. Then again we need to dry. So that white pepper is more spicy, more expensive, like in Chinese food, non-nutritious, Korean food, Malaysian food, Thai food, Spanish food, soup, fried rice, they use actually white pepper. Just because see here, in some dishes what happening, if you put black pepper, it will be visible. It spoils the beauty of the dish. And one more thing, white pepper, it will be easily get dissolved, but not the black one. That is why they use actually white pepper. It will see here, green, red, black, brown, white, everything same only. The thing is that making processing is different. And what some other people they do, they collect some black pepper, then they do polish through by machine, then it becomes white. But that pepper looks pure milky white. Okay, but this pepper looks something like dusty white, off white, like ivory white. That is actually pure genuine white pepper. So basically, black pepper is not, it's a creeper. अगर कोई पूछे तो मैंने पेपर को झाड़ पेड़ देखा करके मत बोलिएगा. It's a bear होता है, it's a creeper होता है.
Yeah, how the stems are so strong. What is the age of this plant?
It's something like 12 to 13 years plant होगा.
पकड़ी है.